I actually haven't been back to school since I graduated from undergrad. So I was sort of trying for a while and thought about maybe doing some online courses, and I've been to some conferences, and I felt like I was sort of reaching the end of my knowledge base.
I wanted to take this class as part of what I like to call my digital arsenal. Because the media is changing so quickly, it's hard for a lot of us to keep up. It's hard for a lot of people to relate to some of the new stuff. And I would highly recommend even people who are already long-standing journalists to come to CUNY and learn, whether it's the social side, the analytics side, the product thinking that I'm doing now. I think all these things are very important for us to learn.
Why did I take this class? I wanted to get outside my bubble. I'm super happy with the perspective that I've gotten and the way the class has been run.
It's kind of intimidating and it's kind of fascinating at the same time, but I really liked that the class was able to tailor the process and the content specifically to someone who thinks like a journalist.
I would say to anyone who is thinking, in my position or something similar, either wanting to grow into or to continue to grow in a professional capacity, like if it's relevant to your job or might be relevant to your job, do it.
CUNY is a great facility where journalists could come and feel comfortable and be taught things that are specifically related to this profession.
It really is having me look at things differently. I'm looking at my job differently. I'm looking at the industry differently. I've been really impressed with the idea that, it's a really big, wide world out there for journalism, and the industry really needs people to be as creative as possible. So I'm not exactly sure how that's going to manifest, but I feel very inspired.